2005, the town celebrated its first Traditions and Crafts Fair, with the aim of complementing the attractions of the town on offer to the visitor, whilst at the same time promoting local products and handmade crafts from the area. Apart from being a crafts fair, there is also an extensive programme of performances, exhibitions and activities going on in parallel. One of the traditional trades on display is dedicated to the production of wool, employing the same methods originally used to make the blankets that are still worn today. On cold days, you can see the Bocairentines wrap themselves up in blankets in order to go outside. The fair is held at the end of October and attracts a large number of visitors, who can choose between trying out the local gastronomy, musical and theatre performances, carriage rides, and popular games for the little ones. The members of the local Cardaor's dance group are experts on music, dance and folklore from Bocairent and the Vall d'Albaida. Created in 1978, their work in recuperating, renovating and disseminating the area's traditional music and dances has been of vital importance to maintaining and enriching the local cultural heritage. Cardaor is also the nickname by which the inhabitants of Bocairent are known, in reference to the task of carding the wool in order to make fabrics. A religious event with a long tradition in Bocairent is the Pas de l'Hort, which is held once every 3 years during Easter week. Set in the town's natural surroundings, local neighbours act out a representation of the Passion and Death of Jesus Christ. Some of the most emotive scenes, such as the entrance into Jerusalem on Palm Sunday or the trial by Pontius Pilate, take place at the bullring. The participants practice their lines for months beforehand and make their own costumes and decorate the scenes themselves for this grand choral performance. In order to discover Bocairent and enjoy all the hidden charms of this fascinating town, the visitor will need at least a few days. Meanwhile, you can choose from a wide range of accommodation, from a 5-star hotel located in an old farmhouse, to the cosy village bed and breakfasts in the historic quarter, or the farmhouses outside town surrounded by its fields and countryside, or the campsite in the middle of the Sierra Mariola. Or even the charming rural hotels. The visitor will find a relaxed and caring atmosphere in which to detoxify from the stress of daily life.